Hello everyone, I am Kimberly Quinn Camero and I will demonstrate assisting client with controlled coughing and deep breathing. So good morning, Miss Princess. I am Kimberly Quinn Camero, your student nurse for today. Okay, so today we will be doing controlled coughing and deep breathing exercise. So this will help in your respiratory functioning and will inhibit any airway collapse, and it helps when you have prolonged coughing so you don't feel worn out. Let me teach you how to do it so you can do it on your own later. I will be placing my patient in a sitting position for the exercise. After assessing my patient's respiratory rate, as for my observation, she had 8 to 16 breaths per minute, which is perfectly normal. For the second step, I will be osculating the patient's lungs. I want you to breathe in and out normally. So my patient now is in a semi-sitting position. So let's start. Ma'am, I want you to take a deep breath. So that's a good start. I want you to repeat that 3 times. So that's good. So next, inspire and hold your breath for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. In addition to your deep breathing, it is important also to cough regularly as well. I suggest you hold a pillow which will support and elevate some discomfort. So you will do it like this. Breathe into your nose and cough twice. So go. Okay, so that was a good start. So can you do it now on your own? So I suggest that you will repeat this exercise 3 to 5 times per hour or as needed to clear the lungs of secretion or as ordered. So since my patient is a female, she can take off her shirt. Ma'am, I want you to breathe in and out normally. Sputum often leaves a disagreeable taste on your mouth. So I offer that you have to do an oral hygiene. And don't forget to sanitize your hand after